Hello everybody, this video will be on advanced cross techniques, and you can reduce the time in which you solve your cross. So for this video, I'm going to be using the white cross to perform my examples, and I'm going to be teaching you a lot of tips and tricks to help reduce the time and move count for your crosses. So for the first example, the scramble should appear on the screen. I did green front, white top. And while I'm looking at this, right now, I can see that I can first insert blue and then insert green over here. But while I insert green, I can also insert red. And then of course I can just save orange for last because then that'll end up right here, correctly oriented with the center. So that'll look like that, which was a 7 move cross. And then immediately you can just head into first pair with easy look ahead. Let's get on to the next example. This is the second example. Right now, I can see that these two cross pieces are in, but they aren't in the correct place. So I can replace green with blue, and then whenever I insert the green piece, the orange piece will come out right here. So that'll look like that, and then I can immediately do that. But then right after, I notice that there's a block solved here, so then I can do some pseudo pairing, and since it's red and green over here, I immediately see this, and then I can insert that there, and then I can multi-slot here. But you see here, all I need is this edge, which is green, orange, which is right here, and then this corner, which is white, green, red, which is right here. And then as I do this to set up the multi-slotting, I see that since this is just here, I need to rotate the cube to have the correct edge orientation, and then just solve it normally. For this third example, the scramble will appear on the screen again, and this looks pretty good. So I can see how to make an Xcross possibly. So first I want to enter this red one and this green one at the same time, like this, but mind that this edge here is already solved. So as I do that, instead of putting into the back and inserting it, because that'll get rid of the edge, I want to put it in like that and then insert this corner here to make an Xcross. And that's really good because it's in the back. And then I have a free pair here, and then I have easy F2L. So that's the third example. So for this example, the scramble should appear on the screen again, as always. And the cross isn't that good, but to start off, I probably can't make an X cross. However, there is a pair right here. Let's see, I want to try and preserve that pair by inserting the green first. That pushes the pair out, then inserting the red, and then as I'm doing that, I know that the orange is at the back, so then I can insert the orange, and then right there I have a first good pair. And then, oops, that's the wrong way. And then I just get on with the rest of F2L. And my recognition is not that good because I'm not a yellow cross solver. I'm normally a green cross solver, but I know that most people are white cross, or not yellow cross, I said at the beginning, but white cross. But I know most people are white cross solvers, so I'm just trying to make it easy for you guys to recognize it. For this final example, just looking at it right now, I don't see anything that I can do that's that fancy, but I can obviously just insert this easy green edge right there. And then I see the blue here, and as I insert the blue, I notice that this red is going to be into its correct spot, and then I can just insert the orange and then immediately go on to the next pair. And in the last example, I said that you may not get all these solutions all the time, but if you practice these techniques enough and you use these tricks often, and it's okay to in practice to go over the allotted inspection time, and that's just so that you get used to recognizing these cases, and it can become a more consistent technique that you use in your solves. And yes, that's all of my tips on this video on how to use advanced cross techniques and tricks to produce xcrosses, pseudo-slotting, multi-slotting, and just in general ways to do a fast cross. So thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. And please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my content.